NewBQ.
Alright, time check. 5:06 a.m. I gotta get this pork butt on in about an hour. I gotta have it on at least in an hour. I think I can do it. Shouldn't be that hard. Yes, I did just get out of bed. It's a little hard for me to speak at the moment, but it's 5 a.m. Let's get this done. Alright, quick update for you. 120 degrees, and I think I messed up. What happened? Okay, no, I didn't mess up. This happened to me before, and I freaked out the last time too. I think it's because of two things. One, it's because of the way it's cut, and two, because I'm running at a little higher temperature, so it's kind of split a little bit more. It's fine, it'll be fine. Don't freak out if that happens to you. It's really not a big deal. Also, it's raining still. So I'm cooking this pork butt. I don't think I said it in the first clip, but I'm cooking this pork butt for my horses to train. Why is there not always something going by that makes noise? Alright, so I apologize for the train noise. Alright, anyway, let's do it this way. So I'm cooking this pork butt. My kids' birthday, my twins' 5-year birthday is today, and we are having just a kind of a cookout with some family and some people over. And anyway, that's what I'm cooking this pork butt for. I'm cooking it for their birthday. We got some side dishes coming too, some family members. Everybody's kind of bringing stuff over. But anyway, that's what this is for. I didn't know if I explained that before. I don't think I did. But I'm starting early because I have to have it done by 1 o'clock. That's when we're eating. So anyway, I'm hoping the rain stops in a little bit. It's supposed to, hopefully. But anyway, we'll let this thing go. Gonna let it go a little longer. Gonna wait till it gets around the 180 mark to wrap it, and then we'll go from there. All right, folks. So I just made a mistake, and I do apologize for the wind, by the way, if there's any wind noise. But I just made a mistake, and I realized it. That's what happens when you start things so early in the morning. I didn't fill my hopper all the way up with pellets. I filled what was left in my bucket, I put that in there, and I thought, okay, I'll let that go for a while, you know, and then I'll add some more. Well, since I did it in the morning, I forgot. So we're down to 141 degrees, and we keep dropping. I added more pellets in there. I'm hoping that I caught it in time and it'll start going back up, but I don't know. I may have to see. I may have to just shut it off, turn it back on, start the whole process, get it back up to temp. It sucks, but I make mistakes. Mistakes have been made. I'm admitting my mistakes right here, right now. I make mistakes constantly. So anyway, that's the big one for the day so far. I thought the meat was going to be the only one. I was kind of freaking out about how it did that, and I remembered about the last time that it happened, and it's not a big deal. So anyway, that's my mistake for the day. I didn't add my pellets. See, we're already down to 139. So that could be a problem. Of course there's another train. Why would there not be another train, right? When I want to do something. Always a train. Okay. All right. So we just hit 180, 180. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. We're gonna put it in a pan. Gonna wrap it up with a little bit of aluminum foil on top of it, and then we're gonna shove it right up this thing's hole, or sorry, back into the grill, and then we're gonna let it finish off. Let's do this. You know, I'm starting to think this is going to be another boring video, and it might be, but let me tell you something. I've had non-stop problems this morning. So I had the battery in my thermometer go bad, and I couldn't find a battery, so I had to rob one out of an old remote. Hopefully it lasts. I ran out of pellets. That was a big old problem. What was the other thing? There's something else I did too. I don't even remember what it was now. The other two were so much worse than the first one. But anyway, that's just pretty much what it was. I think a lot of it is just because I got up early to do this. But this is going to work out. I'm sure it's going to work out. Oh, I remember what it was. It's because I'm cooking it hotter. I didn't check for the split in the meat, and I should have put some seasoning in there. That's what it was, and I didn't do it. Whatever, not the point. Point is, we're going to get this done. Hopefully, we're at 180 now. We got to get to 205. 206 preferably. I think it'll be fine. I gotta check my pellets again, and I'm gonna go back inside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there should be 205. We're gonna go ahead and pull her off. Peace. Alright guys, that is it for me. I appreciate you watching this week's video. I know it's probably real short. I didn't take a whole lot of video, but the party went great. Everybody loved the pulled pork. We had a bunch of other food. Everybody kind of brought stuff. We had soda, all that kind of stuff. Of course, cake and ice cream. Kayla's grandmother makes great cakes. She made a cake that looked just like our dog. It was awesome. But anyway, that's it for this week. Next week, I'm going to try something on the actual wood smoker stick burner. Hopefully, that's my plan at least. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook at NewBQ 2020. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.